Hopefully, everyone is having a great Sunday afternoon. Now, before we get into the show, I really do want to thank all my subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, as you know, this is Sunday, and every Sunday we release three stocks that their charts actually look really good going into next week. And we take a position on Monday, and then we see on Friday, we do a recap on see how those stocks traded for the week. All right, so the first one, as you can see, on the chart or on the screen rather is KIRK. So let's take a look. As you can see, the 10 SMA right here, that blue line is above the 50 and above the 200, which is a bullish pattern in my opinion. We are above the value area high. There's very little inventory to challenge us or meaning push the stock down. So once we get above again yesterday's or Friday's high rather, tomorrow I could see this challenge and eventually take out this 52-week high. Okay, so that is KIRK. Second stock chart that looks really good setup wise going into a Monday and for the rest of the week is one that we've played in the past, is WKHS. Now, if you can see again, the 10 is above the 50 and the 50 is way above the 200. Really nice. We're right here challenging this value area high. Once we get above this value area high, which we should early next week, we should challenge this $30.99 range. So if you do get in the stock and then the trade starts going south, let's use this 10 SMA right here as our guide. Rather, if it gets below that 10 SMA right here, this is going to be our out price, and that's going to be true for all the stocks that we present on Sunday afternoon. Okay, we use that 10 SMA. A close below that means that we take the position off the table. Okay, that's WKHS. Last stock that looks really good. It's one that I already own, but the chart is really looking good going into Monday. Is VUZI. Here's one that had a nice little move of 3% on Friday. And now if we take a look at it, again, that 10 SMA is above the 50 and the 50 is above 200. We are in this one above this value area high, not too far from that 52-week high of $5.10. And if we can get above Friday's high on Monday, we'll start challenging finally that 52-week high at some point this week. We have very little inventory above us, so that suggests that there's going to be very little selling pressure once we start making that move. All right, guys, let's take a look. I also want to show you on VUZI. I like cross-referencing it with more than just one metric to make a position or make a decision, and this one is that 513 EMA chart that I like to use, and that blue line, which is that 5 EMA, is above that 13 EMA, which is also a very bullish indicator right there. And then lastly, we're going to use this 9 SMA chart, that weekly chart. We see that price above that 9 SMA right there, which is also suggestive of a bullish trend. All right, everyone, that is VUZI, WKHS, and KIRK. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and let's see. We'll get together back on Monday for other trades. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I really do appreciate it. And if you want to reach out to me, you can contact me by either leaving a comment on YouTube or contacting me at eric@valueareatrader.com. That's Eric with a C at valueareatrader.com. All right, everyone, have a great evening, a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Trade smart and be safe.